If you have been watching this channel for a while, you already know I've been talking a lot about Micron recently, and for good reasons. I still believe Micron is one of the most exciting AI companies in the market today. But while everyone, including me, has been focused on Micron, I started asking myself a different question. Who else is quietly getting rich from the exact same AI boom? Because every time Micron ships another HBM memory chip, every time Nvidia sells another AI GPU, and every time Microsoft, Amazon, Meta announce their multi-billion-dollar AI data center, there's an entire group of companies getting paid long before these products ever reach us customers. Some of them don't even design the AI chips. Some don't build AI models at all. Most investors have never even heard of them. Yet, they're helping power almost every major AI investment happening today. So over the last few days, I mapped out what I call the AI money pipeline, right? Instead of asking which AI company wins, I asked a much better question. Which businesses make money no matter who wins? Today, we're going to walk through 10 companies that sit at different checkpoints of that pipeline. Some are industry leaders, some are flying under the Wall Street's radar, but each one plays a role in keeping the AI revolution moving. And I think by the end of this video, you'll look at AI investing very differently. Now, if you enjoyed these deep research videos and want to see more of them, make sure you guys have dropped a like and subscribe. All right, so let's start with the first company that builds the AI revolution before a single chip is even manufactured. First stock is Applied Materials, right? Before AI chips can exist, someone has to build machines that manufacture them. That's the ticker AMAT. That's where Applied Materials comes in. Think about this way. If Nvidia is opening a new restaurant, Applied Materials is selling the ovens, the kitchen equipment, and the construction tools. If there's no equipment, there's no chip production. Then there's no AI. There are 3 reasons making this company very interesting. Number 1, every advanced semiconductor requires increasingly complex manufacturing steps. Number 2, AI memory and processor both require far more processing than previous generations. Number 3, as chip makers invest billions into new fabs, Applied Materials benefits regardless of which customer wins. So one finance with Bera member recently messaged me saying he almost bought an AI stock simply because everyone on social media was discussing it. Instead, after researching the supply chain, he realized something. Sometimes selling the tools is a steadier business than betting on one winner. That shift in thinking is exactly why studying supply chains matters a lot. But equipment is just the beginning, right? So ladies and gentlemen, because after building the machine, someone has to carve every microscopic circuit into the silicon. That's where our next stock comes in. At number 2, we got Lam Research with the ticker LRCX. So now imagine trying to carve thousands of tiny skyscrapers, each one into thinner than human hair. That's essentially what modern semiconductor manufacturing looks like. Lam Research specializes in etching and deposition of processes that help create today's advanced chips. As AI memory becomes denser and more vertically stacked, manufacturing complexity increases. And complexity means more equipment. It's no less, right? There are 3 reasons, right, investors follow Lam. Number 1, it has deep exposure to memory manufacturing. Number 2, advanced AI chips require more processing steps than older generations. Number 3, when memory spending accelerates, Lam often participates alongside the biggest manufacturers. Here's something I always remind myself. The technology changes, the physics don't. As long as chips become more advanced, someone still has to build them. But building a chip is not enough. You have to also provide every microscopic layer it should be near perfect. Which brings down to our next ticker, number 3, which is KLA, or KLAC with the ticker. So let's say you're buying your dream home, right? Would you skip the inspection? Probably not. Semiconductors work the same way, ladies and gentlemen. One microscopic defect can ruin an incredibly expensive wafer. That's why inspection has become one of the industry's most important businesses. KLA provides systems that help manufacture, detect defects before the chips even reach customers. There are 3 reasons as investors keep watching KLA. Number 1, more advanced chips create more inspection requirements. Number 2, higher manufacturing complexity generally increases demand for process control tools. Number 3, inspection is required regardless of which semiconductor company ultimately ships the finished product. A friend of mine once told me, right, the best investments are sometimes the company nobody notices. That stuck with me, right, while doing this research. Because inspection is not exciting, but it can become indispensable. And there is another company solving the same challenge from a different angle, which brings down to our ticker number 4, which is ONTO Innovation, with the ticker ONTO. So imagine spending months building one of the biggest and the world's most advanced memory chip, only to discover a defect after it's already packaged. That's an expensive mistake. ONTO Innovation focuses on advanced inspection and metrology solutions that help manufacturers identify issues much earlier than the production process. There are 3 reasons why this stock stands out for me. Number 1, AI memory packaging has significantly become more complicated. Number 2, manufacturers increasingly need precise inspection technologies. Number 3, long-term customer relationships can provide greater visibility into future demand. So one member inside our Finance with Bera community recently shared something interesting. He stopped trying to predict which AI stock would be next, and instead he started asking, who gets paid every time someone builds the AI? That simple question changed how he researches companies. And honestly, it's not the exact question we're answering throughout the entire video, because now we have built the machines, we've inspected the chips, but before a single AI processor reaches the customer, it has to still prove it actually works. And that's where the next chapter gets even more interesting, guys. Which brings down to our next ticker, which is TER, which is Teradyne. So imagine buying a brand new car. Would you drive it without testing the brakes? Of course not. AI chips go through the exact same process. Before they ever reach Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, they must survive thousands of tests. That's where Teradyne comes in. It's an automated testing system that helps verify whether advanced chips actually perform the way they are designed to be. There are 3 major reasons investors keep an eye on Teradyne. Number 1, AI processors and high-performance memory require significantly more testing than previous generations. Number 2, every increase in chip complexity generally increases testing requirements. Number 3, testing is one of the last checkpoints before products generate revenue. So one Finance with Bera member recently shared that he used to think that investing meant finding the next Nvidia stock. Now he starts every research session with a different question. What company absolutely has to get paid before Nvidia can sell a single chip? That mindset completely changes your watch list. But one company sits even closer to the center of global semiconductor testing, which brings down to our next stock, which is Advantest. So if Teradyne was a major player, Advantest is one of the industry's giants. Many of the world's leading semiconductor companies rely on its testing platforms, even before products leave the factory floor. Think about an AI pipeline for a second, right? We design, then we manufacture, then we do the inspection, then we do a bit of testing. Miss just any one of those steps, and billions of dollars of production can grind into a halt. 3 reasons investors follow Advantest. Number 1, demand grows alongside more sophisticated AI processors. Number 2, advanced memory also requires increasingly demanding validation. Number 3, the company benefits from long-term semiconductor capital spending rather than a product cycle. Now, this reminds me of my uncle. He once told me that after running his own business for decades, the companies that quietly solve expensive problems, right, usually stay around the longest. That's exactly what semiconductor testing does. But after every chip passes testing, there's still one incredibly difficult challenge: putting everything together, which brings down to our 7th ticker, which is BESI, which is B Semiconductor Industries. So modern AI isn't just about faster chips. It's about stacking them, right? Today's advanced memory and packaging technologies require incredible precision. That's where BE Semiconductor Industries comes into picture. Instead of simply manufacturing chips, it helps manufacturers assemble them into advanced packages. 3 reasons, right? BESI attracts more attention, right? Number 1, AI chips continue moving toward more advanced packaging technologies. Number 2, hybrid bonding and precision assembly become increasingly important as chip density rises. Number 3, new packaging technologies can become meaningful growth drivers across future AI generations. Picture building a skyscraper, right? The higher you build, the stronger the foundation has to become. The semiconductor works exactly the same way. And one small company hopes to benefit from that trend as well. Which brings on to our next ticker, which is KLIC, which is Kulicke Soffa. So Kulicke Soffa is not usually the first company that investors mention. That's exactly why it's interesting. The company develops advanced packaging and bonding technologies used across semiconductor manufacturing. Now, this one carries more uncertainty than several companies that we have discussed today. That's important to acknowledge. 3 things that investors should understand with this stock. Number 1, it has experienced cyclical revenue swings. Number 2, future growth depends heavily on advanced packaging adoptions. Number 3, it also means executions matter more than ever. They cannot make any mistakes at this point. So one member inside Finance with Bera community pointed this out, right? He told me something that made me have a smile. He said, I stopped buying stories and started buying businesses, right? Those 6 words probably improved his investing more than any stock tip ever could. And the final company today perfectly represents that idea. Because it doesn't just sell, glamorous AI chips. It sells something every semiconductor factory consumes every single day. Which brings down to our next ticker, which is ENTG, which is Entegris. So imagine trying to manufacture the world's most advanced semiconductor, right? Inside a dirty room, right? Probably like mine. It's impossible. That's why Entegris quietly plays such an important role. The company supplies specialty materials, right? Like filtration systems, contamination control solutions, which is used throughout the entire semiconductor production. There are 3 reasons it deserves attention, right? Number 1, advanced chips require increasingly pure manufacturing environments. Number 2, AM manufacturing often consumes more specialty materials than previous generations. Number 3, as fabs become more sophisticated, suppliers focused on purity and process control can become increasingly valuable. Here's the biggest lesson from today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Most investors chase the company announcing the biggest and the newest AI breakthrough. Very few follow the businesses supplying the entire ecosystem. Sometimes the biggest winners aren't the loudest names. They're simply the companies collecting a paycheck every time another AI factory gets built. So let me know in the comments down below if you have your own favorite semiconductor stock. I would love to hear about it and probably make a video about it on our next video. And for me to do some more research about the new stocks hitting the market with semiconductors. So if you enjoyed today's breakdown, make sure you guys are subscribed because every week we break down businesses instead of headlines. And if you would like to see exactly what I am buying, what I am selling, what I am researching, and how I'm positioning my own portfolio through opportunities like these, check out Finance with Bera. Join the membership. You can hit the join button on our YouTube or join me at Finance with Bera for as little as $50 per month. I share my own personal portfolio, my watch list, my research, and the companies I'm following before they become mainstream. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.